First of all, the interface, the menu interface inside. There are rejuvenation program and 808 hair removal program. The operation interface of both programs are the same. Click on any program to enter the operation interface. Click on the house icon in the upper left corner to return to the menu interface. The upper display water flow speed, instrument temperature, total number of strikes. If the water flow speed is lower than 1, or the instrument temperature is too high, please check the water tank condition. The upper right corner snowflake icon only cooling adjustment, can only click to adjust before operation, no adjustment cannot be operated. Click on the male avatar and female avatar button to switch gender. Next to show how many joules of energy per square centimeter impact. Next to the human icon for parameters adjustment from top to bottom are the operation part switching, laser energy size, pulse width, frequency. The bottom standby icon button is only to stop the operation, ready icon button is only to start the operation, and red is only to select the state. Next is the operation process. The operation before trimming hair, because the razor is relatively sharp in order to avoid scratching the skin. Apply a layer of gel evenly on the area to be operated before shaving, and finally clean the hair and gel. Next, use the instrument to start the operation. The skin rejuvenation program options and hair removal program operations are the same. The order of operation: first hair removal and then skin rejuvenation. The instrument handle is disinfected with alcohol wipe before operation. The gel can cool the skin to a certain extent and increase the lubrication effect. The laser can be used for better contact with the skin. The energy is adjusted from low to high, asking the client how he feels and the clinical response of the skin at the treatment site to increase or decrease. The light spot of the handle is placed close to the area of skin to be treated, keeping it 90 degrees perpendicular to the skin, and operated back and forth in sections by clicking on the button. The speed of the handle movement is adjusted according to the frequency of the light. The faster the frequency, the faster the movement, the slower the frequency, the slower the movement. The hair removal program operates 5 to 6 times back and forth on the same area. For the skin rejuvenation program, 2 to 3 times are sufficient. After the procedure, the gel is scraped off with a gel stick. If the skin surface is red, apply a cold compress first and then use the restoration products. Empty 2 beams of light before operation. Test on your own hand. For the treatment location, to take pictures to facilitate post-operative or post-treatment comparison pictures. Pay attention to good sun protection after treatment. Do not go to the beach within 2 weeks. Do not use particularly hot water in the treatment area on the day, just clean with warm water. Try not to be spicy stimulation, seafood, etc. Diet as light as possible. Do not go to the hot spring, sauna within 3 days. Operation area skin will be dry, pay attention to much hydration can be. After the operation, if the skin is particularly red, you can appropriate ice packs.